everyone, welcome back to Basic Therapy. Today is our day 12 of AFCAT preparation series. We started this series with English and today is going to be our last lesson on English section. From tomorrow onwards, we will be starting static GK. You must be wondering why have I not conducted correct spelling sessions. It is because अगर हम correct spelling के examples देखेंगे तो आपके मन में और ज़्यादा confusion हो जाएगा. And I don't want that to happen. So deliberately we are not conducting a session on correct spellings. What we'll do is once we complete all the sections, we will be looking at the previous year question papers and we'll see some examples of correct spelling there. But I don't want कि मैं आपके सामने बहुत सारे examples रखूँ correct spellings के and फिर आपके मन में confusion हो जाए because उसमें से सिर्फ correct spelling spot करना है, उसमें कुछ science नहीं है and आपको online बहुत सारे examples मिलेंगे correct spelling के for practicing, but I am not going to put it in front of you myself. So without further ado, let's start with our last 25 rules of grammar and there go. So by now you must be understanding कि हम कहाँ गलत जाते हैं when spotting errors या फिर passage complete करते वक्त हमें कभी-कभी समझ नहीं आता कि कौन सा word कहाँ पे आएगा. तो जैसे जैसे हम grammar rules देख रहे हैं, I believe आपका वो doubt clear होता जा रहा है. हम इसका application ज़रूर देखेंगे in previous year question papers जब हम solve करेंगे आगे. अभी हमने वैसे भी बहुत सारे examples तो देख ही लिए हैं, almost 100 examples देखे हैं with each rule. So हम उसमें टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, हम डायरेक्टली प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर में इनका एप्लीकेशन देखेंगे. सो आज का फर्स्ट रूल देखते हैं. रूल नंबर 76, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड बाय द वर्ड्स दैट कम बिटवीन द सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब. दे डू नॉट अफेक्ट अग्रीमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, द डॉग हु इज चूइंग ऑन माय जीन्स इज यूजुअली वेरी गुड. सो यहाँ पे जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो है द डॉग and it is in singular form, so we will be using is. तो यहाँ पे chewing is the verb, action हो रही है यहाँ पे, so we are not going to pay attention on that. So यही बताया गया है इसमें कि don't get confused by the words that come between the subject and the verb. They do not affect agreement. So the dog who is chewing on my jeans is usually very good. Rule number 17, inverted sentences. Usually in a sentence, the subject always precedes the verb, but sometimes they can reverse this order so that the verb comes before the subject. Let us see an example. So the incorrect form of sentence would be, through the Golden Eagle Bridge passes thousands of vehicles every day. The correct form would be, through the Golden Eagle Bridge pass thousands of vehicles every day. So यहाँ पे pass का form देखो आप, passes नहीं होगा, pass होगा. Rule number 78, when we use a great many is always followed by a plural noun and a plural verb. For example, a great many students have been declared successful. So have is the plural form of verb. So a great many जब use करोगे तो noun का भी आपको plural form use करना है. जैसे यहाँ पे students, ये students is the noun here, it is in the plural form with s, and have is the plural form of verb. Rule number 79, one of always takes a plural noun. So whenever you're making use of the word one of in your sentence, make sure that the noun that you're using is in the plural form. For example, it is one of the most important day in my life is the wrong form. It is one of the most important days of my life आएगा. I don't know why I'm using the word most important, but yeah, it is one of the important days of my life. So the noun here is day, which should be in the plural form, days. So one of the days आएगा. Rule number 80, when as well as, along with, together with, no less than, in addition to, and not, and with join two subjects, the verb will be according to the first subject. We have seen this rule many times, but now that we have combined all the conjunctions here, let us see an example. Ram as well as his 10 friends are going would be wrong because we are going to consider the verb with respect to the first subject that is mentioned, which is Ram. So Ram as well as his 10 friends is going. Rule number 81. If the two subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject, that is near. We have seen this rule, so mark this as a star. Example, either Anna or I are to do this work. So when we are using either or and neither nor, what we are going to do? We are going to choose the verb with respect to the subject which is near. Since the subject that is near is I, we are going to use the verb as am and not are. Either Anna or I am to do this work. Neither he nor his friends is reading. गलत आएगा because friends यहाँ पे plural form में है. So neither he nor his friends are reading. Rule number 82. Use of not only but also. Example, Anna is not only beautiful but also intelligent. Not only Anna but also Cassie is poor. Now यहाँ पे क्या है कि one person two qualities. यहाँ पे है one quality and two person. So when we are making use of not only and but also, we can either compare two qualities of one person or two person having one quality. Rule number 83. Scarcely and hardly are followed by when and not by than. Example, I had scarcely entered the room when the phone rang. Scarcely had he entered the room when the light came. Hardly had he seen his father when he stopped smoking. So scarcely and hardly are synonyms. Scarcely and hardly are followed by when and not by than. So if you see scarcely, when, hardly, when. Rule number 84. No sooner is followed by than. Example, no sooner had I entered the class than the students stood up. No sooner did I step out than it started raining. So आप ये लिस्ट बना के रखो एक टेबल में कि जैसे अभी हमने हार्डली देखा, स्कार्सली देखा, इसके बाद आएगा when, फिर आया नो सूनर. नो सूनर अगर आ रहा है तो वी विल बी यूजिंग द वर्ड than. आगे और ऐसे वर्ड्स आएंगे जिनको हम देखेंगे जिसके बाद क्या आता है. रूल नंबर 85. लेस्ट मस्ट बी फॉलोड बाय शुड. तो आपकी लिस्ट में ये वर्ड ऐड कर दो, लेस्ट फॉलोड बाय शुड. एग्जाम्पल, रीड रेगुलरली लेस्ट यू शुड फेल. रन विथ केयर लेस्ट यू शुड फॉल. Rule number 86. Though is followed by yet and not by but. Example, though he is poor but he is honest. ये गलत होगा. It should be followed by the word yet. Though he is poor yet he is honest. Rule number 87. Such is followed by as. Example, such a girl as I know is at the party. She is such a writer as everybody should read her books. Rule number 88. When two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb must agree with the second subject. We have seen this rule, so mark this as a star. Example, not only the students but also the teacher are playing would be wrong. Not only the students but also the teacher is playing. Rule number 89. So is followed by the word that. Example, she is so weak that she cannot walk. Most of the times हमें आदत होती है कि slang English में बात करने की because it sounds cool, but grammatically it is wrong. So आपने ये words की list याद रखनी है कि which word follows which word. So अगर आप ये याद रखोगे तो आपको एरर डिटेक्शन में या फिर कंप्लीट द पैसेज में वो prepositions में से, pronouns में से, verbs में से वो करेक्ट वर्ड पिक करने में हेल्प हो जाएगी. रूल नंबर 90. Until expresses time, it has a negative sense and thus not should never be used with it, because until itself makes the sentence negative sentence, and you know adding a not or no makes a sentence negative sentence. So दो नेगेटिव ऐड करोगे आप सेंटेंस में तो उसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट विल डू इज, व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर इज, इफ वी आर यूजिंग until, it will express time and that it makes a sentence already negative, so we are not going to make use of not in it. For example, Wait here until I do not return. So this would be wrong. So the correct form of sentence would be wait here until I return. Rule number 91. Unless expresses a condition, it is always used in a negative sense. Thus not is never used with unless. Same like until, only difference is until expresses time and unless expresses condition. So we are not supposed to use not with until and unless because it already makes a sentence negative sentence. Example, unless you do not work hard, you will not pass. It would be wrong. Unless you work, you will not pass. Rule number 92. As if is used to convey the sense of pretension. When as if is used in this sense where were is used in all cases, even with the third person singular. So it is important to know what the word pretension means. It means to claim something. So if we are using as if to claim something, then we are going to use were form of it, even if it is a with respect to third person, which is singular. For example, she behaves as if she was queen. So यहाँ पे हम third person sense में बात कर रहे हैं, because if I am talking to you about her, तो मैं बन गई first person, आप बन गए second person, and since we are talking about she who is the third person, so now we are talking here about third person and we will be using were form of it, even if in all cases, even if it is singular, we are going to use a plural form of verb here. That is, she behaves as if she was a queen would be wrong. She behaves as if she were a queen. Were form of verb आएगा यहाँ पे. Rule number 93. Since indicates a point of time and for stands for the length of time. The basic difference between since and for. ये आपने याद रखना है, because हम जहाँ नहीं चाहिए वहाँ पे for use करते हैं, जहाँ चाहिए वहाँ पे since use नहीं करते. For example, he had been reading the book for 2 hours. It has been raining since Monday last. So since मतलब जहाँ से point of time मतलब start होता है, and for stands for the length of time. ये याद रखो. Rule number 94. Both is followed by and not by as well as or but. For example, Ram is both tall and handsome. So once we are using both, we will not use as well as. The sentence won't be in the form as Ram is both tall as well as handsome. ये गलत form of sentence होगा. The right form is, we are just going to use the word and to join the two adjectives. So Ram is both tall and handsome. Rule number 95. Or is used to introduce an alternative. Or is used to mean otherwise. And or is used to show several alternatives. So these are the uses of or: to introduce an alternative, to mean otherwise, or to show several alternatives. Example, do or die. Here we have introduced two alternatives, either do or die. Next we have, what do you prefer, blue or red? We have given here alternatives. So this is how we make use of the word or. Rule number 96. Use of since, because, for, as. Example, it has been a year since I saw him. So since is used from the point of time. Now I respect him because he is my father. Because here we are using to express a reason. As he was unwell, he did not eat anything. So as is also used here as a form of reason. Then he was playing football for 3 hours. Rule number 97. While is used to mean during the time, as long as, at the same time. Example, while there is hope, there is life. The girl sang while the boys danced. Rule number 98. Only as a conjunction means except that. Means exception. Example, a very pretty woman, only she squints a little. Means the only exception that or except that इस फॉर्म में हम only का यूज कर सकते हैं. Rule number 99, else should be followed by but. Example, it is nothing else than pride is a wrong form of sentence. Correct form would be, it is nothing else but pride. Rule number 100, adverb enough is always placed after the word which it qualifies. Example, is the hall big enough? She is wise enough to understand your intention. So यहाँ पे जो हमारे adverbs है वो कौन से है? Big है, wise है, and we are qualifying it by using the word enough. So we will be placing enough after these adverbs. So हमारा enough आएगा big enough and wise enough. So friends, here we come to an end of our AFCAT preparation series English section. From tomorrow onwards, we will be starting our static GK section. So stay tuned because it is really important. Please consider sharing, liking and subscribing to my channel if you're enjoying studying with me. And don't forget to hit the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a video in this series. So thank you.